What will you serve this with? Amala, pounded yam, or guy. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuel Wisdom. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video, like and drop a comment below. Welcome to this channel. Here we explore the world through food, deep conversation and personal growth. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a simple recipe. I'm going to be teaching you how to make Efo Riro. It is pretty simple, it is straight to the point, and you don't need to stress. If you're looking for what to have for dinner when you get home or even lunch, this is the recipe for you. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Of ingredients we would need for this: some stockfish, some pomo, some beef, some palm oil, some dried fish, shombo, atarodo, and Scotch bonnet peppers, some ugwu leaves, some onion, pepper, salt, iru, and seasoning cube. I chopped my leaves into sizable chunks. We don't want it too small, and then we diced our onion. We blended our pepper. Please don't blend this into a puree, just roughly blend it. This will enable it to give us the texture we need for this soup. In a pot, I added my beef, some pomo, some stockfish, onion, and some seasoning cubes. We add some dried pepper, some salt, and we stir this all to combine. I add some water to cook this properly, and I let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes. After this is done cooking, we take everything out of the pot. I still wanted to use the same pot, so I didn't rinse out the pot. I just added my palm oil into this to give me that nice taste. I wanted to flavor up the palm oil. I added some onion, and I stirred this all to combine. I then covered this and let this cook for 3 minutes. Then I added my locust beans, also known as iru. I stirred this all to combine. And then I added my chopped peppers. This already looks good. After stirring for a while, I let this cook for 2 minutes. And then I threw this my dried fish. I love this particular fish. It's called bangla. And then I added my stockfish, my beef, and my pomo. This looks fantastic. I stirred this all to combine, and then I let that cook for a while. You can let this cook for 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook this. Finally, I added some crayfish, stirred that to combine. Added some seasoning cube for taste. And now my leaves. Please do not overcook the leaf. Once you're done putting it in, I covered mine for 1 minute to let this settle down. I stirred this and I let it cook for an additional 1 minute, and I took it off the fire. You do not want to overcook your leaves. Voila! Our Efo Riro is ready. What would you pair this with? So that's the end of the recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Before we go, let's do a taste test. This is how Efo Riro with some gari. Let's see how that tastes. Wow. That tastes really good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.